Hola viajeros! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the heart of the Caribbean, the vibrant capital of the Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo. This city is more than just palm trees and sunshine. It's packed with history, culture, flavor, and some seriously underrated gems you don't want to miss. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best places you must visit in Santo Domingo, from the oldest street in the New World to secret spots only locals know about. So whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of island vibes, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. 7. Zona Colonial, Colonial Zone. Zona Colonial, located in the heart of Santo Domingo, is the oldest European settlement in the Americas and one of the most historically significant neighborhoods in the Caribbean. Founded in the late 15th century, this district was established by Bartholomew Columbus in 1498 and became the first seat of Spanish colonial rule in the New World. Today, it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its rich history, well-preserved colonial architecture, and cultural significance. Walking through Zona Colonial feels like stepping back in time. The area is filled with cobblestone streets, colorful colonial-era buildings, and iconic landmarks. Beyond its historical importance, Zona Colonial is also a lively cultural center. Visitors will find art galleries, museums, cafes, and restaurants tucked into restored colonial buildings. Local artists and musicians often perform in the streets and public squares, adding a modern Dominican flavor to the old world atmosphere. Events such as music festivals, parades, and cultural celebrations are frequently held here, making it a hub of activity for both tourists and locals. The district has undergone extensive preservation and revitalization efforts in recent years, making it more accessible and enjoyable for visitors. Many buildings have been restored to their original charm, and pedestrian-friendly streets encourage exploration on foot. Guided walking tours offer insight into the area's fascinating past, while boutique hotels and trendy eateries provide a comfortable and contemporary experience in a historic setting. Zona Colonial is not just a place to learn about history. It's a place where history is alive. It serves as a powerful reminder of the Dominican Republic's colonial past, while also embracing the vibrant spirit of the present. 6. Malecón de Santo Domingo. The Malecón de Santo Domingo is a scenic oceanfront boulevard that stretches along the Caribbean Sea, serving as one of the most iconic and vibrant areas of the Dominican capital. Officially named Avenida George Washington, this coastal roadway offers stunning views of the sea, a constant ocean breeze, and a lively mix of culture, entertainment, and local life. It is a popular spot for both locals and tourists who come to walk, jog, relax, or enjoy the beautiful sunsets over the water. Lined with palm trees, monuments, and colorful buildings, the Malecón is more than just a road. It's a cultural and social hub. Along its length, you'll find a variety of hotels, restaurants, nightclubs, and casinos, many of which come alive in the evenings and on weekends. The area is also known for its public art installations and historic statues, including monuments honoring Dominican heroes and historical figures. The Malecón also plays host to major cultural events throughout the year, such as the Carnaval Dominicano, where parades with vibrant costumes and music fill the streets with energy. 5. Los Tres Ojos National Park. Parque Nacional Los Tres Ojos is one of Santo Domingo's most fascinating natural attractions, located just a few minutes from the city center. This unique site features a series of underground limestone caves and crystal-clear lagoons, or eyes, formed thousands of years ago. The name Los Tres Ojos, the Three Eyes, refers to the 3 main freshwater pools found inside the cave system, although a hidden 4th lagoon can also be reached by a small boat ride through a narrow rock passage. The park offers a striking contrast to the busy urban atmosphere of Santo Domingo. As visitors descend into the caves via stone steps, they enter a cool, humid world filled with dramatic rock formations, hanging vines, and tranquil waters. The pools are lit naturally by sunlight streaming through openings in the cave ceiling, creating an otherworldly glow. Each lagoon has its own unique mineral composition and appearance, with water so clear that it almost looks like glass. In addition to its natural beauty, Los Tres Ojos holds cultural and historical significance. The caves were once used by the indigenous Taino people for ceremonies and as a source of water. Today, the park is a protected area and a popular destination for families, school groups, and tourists looking to explore a different side of the Dominican Republic. 4. Boca Chica Beach. Boca Chica Beach is one of the most popular and easily accessible beaches near Santo Domingo. Known for its shallow, calm turquoise waters and soft white sand, it's a favorite destination for both locals and tourists seeking a quick beach getaway without traveling far from the city. Protected by a coral reef, the waters remain warm, clear, and tranquil, perfect for swimming, wading, and family-friendly fun. What sets Boca Chica apart is its lively atmosphere. On weekends and holidays, the beach comes alive with music, street vendors, and families enjoying the sun. Dozens of small restaurants and food stands line the shore, offering fresh seafood, fried fish, and Dominican specialties like tostins, fried plantains, and yanaqueques, crispy flour fritters. You'll also find plenty of bars and beach clubs where you can enjoy a cold drink with your toes in the sand. Beyond sunbathing and swimming, Boca Chica offers opportunities for water sports such as jet skiing, kayaking, and snorkeling near the reef. The nearby marina and yacht club attract boaters, while the town of Boca Chica itself offers shops, local markets, and nightlife. 3. First Cathedral of the Americas. The First Cathedral of the Americas, officially known as the Cathedral Primada de America, is one of the most significant landmarks in the Dominican Republic and all of the Americas. Located in the heart of the Zona Colonial in Santo Domingo, it is the oldest cathedral in the New World, with construction beginning in 1514 and completed in 1541. Its historical and religious importance marks it as a symbol of the early Spanish presence in the Western Hemisphere. Architecturally, the cathedral is a stunning example of Gothic and Renaissance styles, with elements of Baroque influence added later. Built from coral limestone, the structure features vaulted ceilings, stone columns, and intricately carved wooden doors. Today, the First Cathedral of the Americas continues to function as a place of worship and a major tourist attraction. It stands not only as a religious center, but also as a powerful reminder of the colonial era's lasting impact on the Caribbean and the Americas. Surrounded by historic buildings and lively plazas, the cathedral is a must-visit for anyone exploring Santo Domingo's rich cultural and architectural heritage. 2. Playa Punta Torrecillas. Playa Punta Torrecillas is a small but charming beach located at the entrance of Santo Domingo's port, near the mouth of the Ozama River and just a short distance from the Zona Colonial. Though not as large or well-known as other Dominican beaches like Boca Chica or Juan Dolio, Punta Torrecillas offers a peaceful seaside escape right in the city. With its views of the Caribbean Sea and nearby colonial landmarks, it provides a unique blend of nature and history. The beach is known for its quiet atmosphere, calm waters, and scenic surroundings, making it a nice spot for relaxing, walking, or enjoying a simple picnic by the water. Locals often come here to unwind in the late afternoon or catch the sunset. While the beach is not ideal for swimming due to its location near the port and river mouth, its natural beauty and panoramic ocean views make it worth a visit. Near the beach, you'll find Parque Punta Torrecillas, a green recreational area with benches, shaded spots, and pathways that offer great views of the sea and ships entering the harbor. It's a peaceful place to sit, take photos, or enjoy the ocean breeze without leaving the city. For those exploring Santo Domingo and looking for a quieter, lesser-known coastal experience, Playa Punta Torrecillas offers a serene urban getaway with a local vibe. 1. Fort Ozama. Fort Ozama is one of the most important historical landmarks in Santo Domingo and the oldest European military structure still standing in the Americas. Built between 1502 and 1508 by the Spanish, the fort was strategically positioned at the entrance of the Ozama River, serving as a defensive stronghold to protect the city of Santo Domingo from pirates and enemy invasions. Its construction marked a key moment in the establishment of Spanish colonial power in the New World. The structure, with its medieval-style architecture, resembles a small European castle and reflects the Spanish military design of the time. Today, Fort Ozama is open to the public and stands as a symbol of Santo Domingo's colonial heritage. Visitors can explore the grounds, climb the tower for panoramic views of the Zona Colonial, and walk along the same paths once used by Spanish conquistadors. And there you have it, 7 amazing places to explore in Santo Domingo. From centuries-old colonial streets to hidden local gems, this city has something for every kind of traveler. Which spot was your favorite? Or did we miss a place you think should have made the list? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you're planning a trip, now you've got a solid start to your Santo Domingo bucket list. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more travel inspiration from the Caribbean and beyond. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous. Nos vemos pronto.